Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery in a Toyota RAV4 key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2016 battery. This specific battery type is crucial for proper function. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task usually takes less than 5 minutes, so let's get started right away. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. This is your entry point. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twisting motion, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be sure to apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic housing. The goal is to separate it without force. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is important for correct reinstallation. Gently pry out the old CR 2016 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new CR 2016 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly into its compartment. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, immediately test the key fob's functionality with your Toyota RAV4. Confirm that the lock, unlock, and panic buttons all work correctly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.